How to use noise-canceling headphones to focus when studying. Are you struggling to concentrate while studying, especially with family around? Noise-canceling headphones might be your answer. Let's discuss how to use them effectively to manage interruptions and improve your study time. First, you need to select the right headphones. Look for models that feature active noise cancellation technology. These headphones work by generating sound waves that counteract external noise. Over-ear models are often more comfortable for long study sessions and provide better noise isolation. Next, create a consistent study environment. Use your headphones in places where distractions are common, like at home with family members nearby. This will help block out noises from conversations or other activities, allowing you to focus more on your studies. If complete silence feels uncomfortable, consider playing low-volume instrumental music, white noise, or ambient sounds through your headphones. This can help mask distracting noises while still allowing you to concentrate. It is also essential to manage your volume levels. Keep the sound at a moderate level to protect your hearing. While high volumes might seem to help you focus, they can cause long-term hearing damage. Combining headphone use with effective time management techniques can further boost your productivity. For example, the Pomodoro Technique involves studying in timed intervals, which can help you make the most of your noise-free periods. However, be mindful of your situational awareness. While noise cancellation can improve focus, it may reduce your awareness of your surroundings. Use your headphones selectively, especially when you need to stay alert for important family interruptions or safety reasons. Lastly, maintain and clean your headphones regularly. This ensures optimal performance and comfort, supporting longer, uninterrupted study sessions. Using noise-canceling headphones can significantly improve your ability to concentrate, especially in noisy environments or when family interruptions are frequent. They create a personalized, distraction-free auditory space that helps you absorb and retain information more effectively. Just remember to balance their use with awareness of your environment and hearing health to maintain overall well-being.